Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva Anthony, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys more like practically how I achieve my low light videos on Instagram, especially for those that are into makeup. So if you are a beauty content creator, or you are a makeup artist, or you're just in the beauty world and you want to know how to achieve low light videos, this video is definitely for you. I know some of you might be wondering or have been looking for a way around this. Well, I personally searched and searched and searched and searched, but didn't find anything, especially on YouTube. I didn't find anything that actually told me or that actually showed me what I wanted. Some I researched on, some I found in a video like this. Those videos didn't really give me so much. Some I found out from paid classes. I am here to give you guys all of that, and if you're interested, if you want to know how to achieve a low light video. I also got a request. This video, I think, yeah, in one of my previous videos I got a request on how to do low light videos, so I'm coming through now on that request. I am here to give you guys all of that. Damn. If you are interested, if you want to know how I achieve my low light videos for makeup and on Instagram, make sure you watch this video till the end, and be sure to come back after this break. This video is going to be a rather short one, just because there are not so much things I would be talking about on this video, just a few steps. So I'm going to be spilling the tea on all of this, just in case you have been searching like I did. Your search has to stop now, because I am going to be saying everything that I know pertaining to how to achieve a low light video on Instagram for makeup tutorials in this video. So yeah, let's get right into it. One of the most important things, in my opinion, on how to get the effect of a low light video when it comes to makeup is be sure to use glitters or pigments or neon pigments. Why? Because in low light, those things, they are kind of glittery, or they shine, or they give out a certain kind of color. Like for neon pigments, they shine when they're in the dark, and then for glitters, when you shine light on them, they tend to sparkle. So in my opinion, I'm going to say, when you want to achieve a low light video, it's better to do this when you have glitters on. Now, that doesn't mean that you cannot do a low light video if you're not wearing glitters or pigments or neon liners. You can do a low light video on basically any look. Well, I'm only saying that I would appreciate it more if I make a low light video when I'm wearing glitters and all of those shimmery, shiny stuff. Achieving this low light video is not so hard, plus the steps are really easy. So let's go into the first step. The first thing you want to make sure that you've done is you make sure that you've done makeup on yourself or on your clients, on your model, whoever you want. You can do your glitter eye look, you can wear pigments on your face, you can do all these carnival kind of looks on your face, but then you can also wear a very soft glam, or a very colorful bold glam, whatever, with or without glitters, before you can start or make a low light video, right? The second step is to make sure that the light in your room is put off. This light applies to your light bulbs, your artificial light source, which are your ring lights or your LED, your soft boxes, whatever lights you have in your room. Make sure you put it off, because we want to achieve a low light video. In other words, a low light video means where there is less lights, right? So you want to make sure that you put off all the lights you have in your room, just because. Now the third step, this is very important, because you cannot achieve a low light video without this, in my opinion. And for the fact that you've put off every source of light in your room, you need to make sure that you put on the flash on your phone. Now for low light videos, your flash has to be on. After you've done your makeup, after you've put off the lights, make sure you on your flash, because that is the only light source we're going to be using to achieve a low light video. I hope I am making sense. You would eventually see the reason why you need to put on the flash on your phone, because I'm going to be showing you more like a practical something that I did with low lights. In other words, you're going to see how I achieve my low light videos. So moving on to the fourth step. Now the fourth step is, this is very important. So anyway, it's your choice. For me, I make sure I reduce the exposure on my phone. So whenever I put on the camera and I turn on my flash, I make sure the next thing I do is reduce the exposure on my phone, because I do not want too much light on my face. This is my choice. This is something, if you want to increase it, it depends on what you want to achieve. I am sure most of us know this, but for the sake of my babes and my boos that do not, let me give you a rundown on how you can reduce your exposure. Now when you go into your camera app, you would notice a yellow box right there in front of you. So whenever you see that yellow box, if you lock the screen, you would notice a sun-like stuff on a line by the side of that yellow box. Now that is what you use to increase or decrease your exposure. Now if you go up, you would notice that you're increasing your exposure, and if you come down, you're reducing your exposure. Hence why I said that it's up to you, if you want, depending on what kind of video you're making. I personally always reduce the exposure. So all you need to do now is to just swipe down or swipe up, as the case may be. It depends on how low you want your lights to be. The fifth step I do when it comes to achieving my low light videos is that after putting on my camera and setting everything, the next thing I do is to use my remote and then press the record button. And once I do that, everything is ready. My flash is on, my exposure is reduced, everything is on set. The next thing you want to do is to just move your head around. You know, it depends on what you're doing. Like I said earlier, you want us to like see the angle of whatever it is you're doing. Now remember that the lights where you are is not so much, so you want to kind of be in front of your camera. Once it starts recording, I just move my head, close my eyes, you know, look up, you know, just do all of those shenanigans. And then most of the time, you know, when light hits on glitter, it tends to sparkle. So yeah, that's what we're trying to achieve. This is kind of a bonus. If you want to take a slow-mo low light video, it's practically the same thing like what you did in the fifth step. The only difference is that you'd have to select the slow-mo option, move your head as you would normally do for a regular video. It's practically the same thing. The slow-mo option would eventually take effect on its own. You do not need to do anything. So yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope this video helps you in one way or the other. I hope you found out something you didn't know before concerning low light videos. It would mean a lot to me if you give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. It will really make me happy. Until next time, do take care of yourself, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll be seeing you. Bye now.